Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So as you can see, we are at Family Dollar, y'all. So we got a brand new 5 off of 25 digital coupon that you can load to your account right now. You need to move fast on these deals because this new digital is only good until tomorrow 9/14. So move fast to do this deal. This deal is going to be super simple, super easy. Anyone can do it. All you have to do is load the same digital coupons that I am going to use today to your digital coupon account, enter your phone number at the register, and check out. So easy, so simple. So without further ado, let's get started. The first item we are going to pick up is a bag of the Tide Simply Pods. So as you can see, these are on sale this week for $2.95. We have a $2 off one digital coupon, bringing it down to only 95 cents before our 5 off of 25. So this will be our first item in our deal. Item number 2 will be another Tide Pods, but this time we're going to get the regular. So these are the 16 count Tide Pods. You can also get the different scents, but they are all $4.95. And then we are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. Next up, we are going to grab one of these Downy wrinkle guards. You can get this 25-ounce liquid, or you can actually get the sheets. I don't even see a spot for this in my store. This is just sitting on the shelf, but these are on sale for $4.50 this week per the sales ad. And then we have a $2 off one digital, bringing it down to only $2.50 after our digital coupon. Next up, we are going to grab one of the Charmin 4 Mega Rolls. So as you can see, these are on sale for $4.50. And then we have a $1 off one digital coupon, bringing them down to only $3.50. Now, if you want to, I just also want to let you know, you can get the bigger pack of Charmin. They are only 75 cents more, and use that $1 off digital. Your total will be 75 cents higher than mine, but you will get 12 rolls instead of the 4 mega. The mega rolls are pretty big, so I'm just going to go ahead and get these, but I just wanted to let you know that option. Now we are going to grab some Febreze items. So as you can see, the Febreze, you can get wax melts, you can get the sprays, you can get the card clips, or you can get the small spaces. They are all 2 for $6. And then we have a $3 off 2 digital coupon, making them 2 for $3. So I think that I'm actually going to get some of the small spaces because I have a lot of the spray already. So I'll grab 2 of these as my next 2 items. Next up, we are going to grab one of the Big Deuce razors, the 5 count. So these are $1.75. And then we are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. As our final item, we need to get a $1 filler because our total is just a little bit short of $25. I think it's at like $24.65. So you can grab any of these $1 items. You can get some plates, so you can get some bowls, you can get some foam cups, you can get some napkins, you can also get some forks, some straws. Any of these $1 items will work well as a filler. I am going to grab some $1 foam cups as my $1 filler item to push us over $25. Okay, so now let's do a quick review as always to go over everything that we have. So our total should be, I think, like $25.65. So we are over our $25. We have a Charmin 4-pack Mega Rolls. These are $4.50. We are going to use our $1 off one digital. We have 2 Febreze products of your choice at $3 each. We are going to use our $3 off 2 digital. We have one of the Tide Simply Oxy 13 count. Make sure y'all pick up the 13 count. These are $2.95. We are going to use our $2 off one digital. We have the Downy Wrinkle Guard, the 25 ounce. This is $4.50. We are going to use our $2 off one digital. We have some Big Deuce razors, the 5 count. They are $1.75. We are going to use that $2 off one digital. We have our Tide Pods, a 16 count. We are going to use our $2 off one digital, and they are $4.95. And then we have our $1 filler item. For me, it's foam cups. You can pick whatever you like. And of course, we are also going to use our $5 off 25 store coupon. So let's go check out. So as you saw, that went perfectly. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So here is the Charmin, the Tide Simply, the Tide Pods. All of our coupons came off perfectly. The Downy Wrinkle Guard, the Febreze Small Spaces, our Big Shaver, and then our $5 Smart coupon, which is the store coupon, the 5 off of 25. Subtotal came up to $8.90. After taxes, I paid $10.35. And then we had a total coupon savings today of $16.75. So that was a pretty good transaction. So let me know if you have any questions. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. Happy Friday to you all, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.